Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce system exploits with Palo Alto Networks step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to your Palo Alto Networks firewall. Log into the firewall interface using your admin credentials. Navigate to the Device tab in the top menu. Select Setup from the drop-down options. Scroll down to the Management section. Click on Logging and Reporting. In the logging settings, ensure that all relevant logs are enabled. This will allow you to monitor and identify potential exploits effectively. Next, move to the Policies tab. Under Security Policies, review your existing rules. Identify any overly permissive rules that could expose your system vulnerabilities. Adjust these rules to enforce the principle of least privilege. Now, access the Objects tab. Select Addresses to review any trusted addresses. Ensure that only necessary IP addresses are added. For additional security, implement threat prevention profiles. Go to the Policies tab again. Click on Security and select the rule you want to adjust. Attach a corresponding security profile to mitigate threats. Next, navigate to the Device tab once more. Select Dynamic Updates from the menu. Ensure your threat signatures and application definitions are up to date. Regular updates help protect against newly discovered exploits. Now, enable the Application Override feature. This can help in controlling applications that may exploit vulnerabilities. Go to the Objects tab again, then select Applications. Review the lists and categorize applications based on risk. Implement App ID to identify and manage application usage. Next, examine user identification settings. Navigate to Device and select User Identification. Enabling accurate user identification can significantly reduce risks associated with exploits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.